such an evil look. Arr. Bink. Bink, bink. Such a big baby. Oh, such a big baby. Oh, such a big baby. She's such a big baby. Yeah. Now what are you staring at? What you staring at? Uh-oh. Hands out under blankie this time. No. See, that's how he meows. No.
No, don't do it. Hey, big butt.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, look, I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you. Oh, God, no, no, not the pets, not the pets.
Ew, those evil things.
Yeah, you're pets. What do you think I am? Pet. Yep. But that's mommy of you. Yeah, butt.
Yep.
That's how they show you they love you.
Hmm?
They show you the butt.
Oh, well, thank you for knocking my mouse off there. It's a mouse. Hello.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Oh, there. I got it. No. Oh, look at all that garbage right there. Okay. Where'd it go? Oh, there he is. Knocks everything off the counter. I mean, table. I gotta clean that.
Hi.
Too much shit being stored up there.
I know.
And pretty much basically everywhere.
What do you think you're doing? You can't get. Obviously, there's something in there. I don't know why you even tried.
Something in the bag.
Get
Something
out
in the
of
cup.
there. There's nothing in there.
He says it's a cup. There's gotta be something in there. I see you putting it in your head all the time. Yes. What's in the cup? Clarice.
There's a can in the cup. Leave it.
Yes. Yes, let's pitch that around with them. Let's see, who can get in over here? What's that? Say, huh? Oh yes, let's knock everything over while I try to get to that. Hmm. Hmm. You'll be sorry when I knock all this shit over because you do this shit.
Oh, the pets. Oh, the pets. Oh my god, it's so terrible.
Huh? I'm not sure about this. It's your computer.
Hi. Yeah. Like, oh, what am I gonna do now?
Yeah, I threw it that way. It bounced off your thing and landed on your thing.
That's a lot of thing bouncing going on. I see you. You're not hiding that well. Just to let you know.
You can't tell me from a can or your fan or Dan or.
Discord. Oh, look who's here for the pets. They want to be petted.
What's in the purse, George? What's in the purse? Huh? Who's